You do not need a pickup truck, a dedicated workshop, or a formal business license to make an extra $3,000 to $4,000 on the side. Flipping on Facebook Marketplace is remarkably straightforward on paper. You find an underpriced listing, clean it up or present it properly, and resell it for fair market value. I've made about $4,000 doing exactly this. The entry barrier is practically zero, but there is one specific catch. You have to train your eye so you pick up profitable flips instead of money pits. Why does this opportunity exist in the first place? Because most people selling on Marketplace aren't running a business, they just want clutter out of their house fast. They take blurry photos in a dark garage, write a one-word title, and price the item at a fraction of what it's worth just to get rid of it today. You aren't reinventing the wheel here. You're simply bridging the gap between a lazy seller and a retail buyer who wants a clean, well-presented item. Your profit comes from that value add, cleaning, minor fixes, and proper presentation. The skill you need to build is seeing potential where other people see work. Can you look at a scratched, dust-covered solid wood dresser and realize that 20 minutes with wood cleaner, simple drawer hardware, and better lighting will double its value? If you're just starting, don't guess randomly across categories. Stick to what you already understand. Solid wood furniture. Avoid cheap particle board. Look for real wood brands that only need cosmetic cleaning or knob swaps. Power tools. Reputable brands like DeWalt, Milwaukee, or Makita that just need a wipe down and basic battery check. Sporting goods and hobbies, dumbbells, kettlebells, golf clubs, or camping gear where value is easy to look up instantly. Here is the single biggest cheat code on Facebook Marketplace. Take your photos in bright, natural light. Wipe down the item, set it against a neutral, clutter-free wall, and shoot near an open window or outside in soft daylight. That one step alone will put your listing ahead of 80% of local competitors. Buyers scroll fast. When they see a bright, sharp, well-framed thumbnail, they assume the item was well cared for, and they are immediately willing to pay full market price. To get your first flip done this week without risking your cash, search sold listings first. Verify that the item actually sells regularly before you hand over any cash. Never buy heavy repair jobs. Stick to items that only need cleaning, basic adjustments, or staging. Price to move. Don't hold out for weeks to squeeze out the last $10. Take your profit, keep your cash moving, and roll it into the next flip. If you enjoyed this breakdown, give the video a like and hit subscribe. Drop a comment below with the best deal you've ever spotted on Marketplace, and I'll see you in the next one.